Made it to Little Jay's Fireworks. They are just outside of Columbia. And they've got a really good selection, a lot of great prices. So I'm gonna go through here and show you guys a lot of what they have. And it looks like they're really well stocked for the season. So we'll start here. $10 on that. Nice big sparklers, $3 a pack. You got various of these here. Top Gun. They got up here, so that's probably just left over of the 500 grams they have on the other side there. So 20, 16, 16, 17 on this one, 25, 19, 12, and then 17 here, 15, 14 on this one, 12, mother load, just one of them for the moment, it looks like, 20, 23 on these, 20, 14, 19 on Killer Cake, 22, we got 15 Burnout, 15 here, 25, 30, 30, and 30, and these three, 14, 15 on Smoke Dragon, 11, and 8, 4, 9, 9, 10 on Booty Pirate from Pyro Predator, Pikmin, 14, 17, 11, 16, 13, 20, Viper Strike, 30, Gazoo, 25, 25, and then 15 on both of these. A lot of Pyro Diablo, 9 on all of these. 9-shot, 200 grams. You got 15 on these slightly bigger ones. And then 13. So these are 16 shots here. Smaller cakes than these, but these are only 9 shots, and these are all 13. Crockbite on the end. Fruit Loops, 23, 15, 19, 18 here, 25. And here on the end, got 12 on these Jungle Jets, 15, 25. They just brought this one in, and 30. Got 20 here. We're going to go through some fountains. 35, and you can see they've got case prices on some of the items. Anywhere you see a red price tag, that's going to be for case prices. 30, 40. 22, 23, Got $18 here. 19. Got 10 on the puzzle cube. 18 on the fire wheel. 19. 20 for a 4-pack, I believe. Maybe it's a 6-pack. Got 15. We got, I don't see a price on that. Oh, we already did this. 13 here. 16. Got 19 here. 18. 20 and 17. Well, 18. Last maximum overdrive, it looks like 23. 10. 12 on voltage and 20. And that's a spin one. What do we got here? 9, 12, 8, 8, 11 here on Humdinger. 11, 12, 3, 350 on these little Pyro Diablo fountains, you know, on those two, and then 450 on the Incredibles, and then this one here. $250
Jungle jets.
on these here.
You light it one time, and then after that,
3.
They're called jellyfish.
$3 on those. $10 here.
These are the greatest things.
12 bucks.
Don't buy one of these.
Bowl of cherries. 15.
Hey.
Got 10 bucks here. 7 for Jigsaw. 10 bucks. 7. 250. You got 6 on the 4-pack here. 13. Then $2 a piece on these. Some Girandolas here. Let's see. So this is 15 on this one. I got 40. 10 shots with the Girandola at the end. I don't know if you can see in there, maybe. Nope.
You can't worry about these. Does it have a warning on it? Do not set it off in your house.
45 there. Oh, nice. Never seen this one. It's a brand new one in my eyes. 70 on this. 15. 24. 1050 on the pack. 16. 7. These little guys down here. What do we got on the end cap here? 6. $2. $4.
It does go through fuel. But that size. That's a cigar lighter.
20 on the Giant Buster. Got some preloads. 50 on these. 30 here. These guys. And then some strobe rockets. We got 55 for 2. 2 a pack. Fat Frankie, I think that's a in-house only. 30 bucks. 25 here on the radioactives. 35 there. Let's go check out some 500 grams. Got $20 a piece, I believe, on these here. Diamonds in the Sky, American Classic, Iron Size, Tempt Fate, Rhapsody, Rounders, and Bamboozle. God, let's see, 35, 40, 15 on Mad Doctor, 20, 20. Okay, so now we got some prices on. Oh no, Light Brigade was not over there. Never mind. So, but anyway, I think those are all 20 over there. 35, 35, 44, 46, 37. Some Power Blast. 44. 37, 40, double barrel. Got 50, 50, 55 here. 45, 45, 58. Let's see those two tags. 50. 50, 60, 48, and 47. Got 50 on 20 alarm fire. 57 for Nishiki Mine. 45. 60 here. 50. 75. 60, 55 on Helix, 49, we got 30, 40 on Cherry, and 40 here for Sky Static, got 40, 46, got some Pyro Diablo, 40 on this one, and 60 here. Got 60 here. I don't know if I skipped over this or not, just to make sure I didn't. That one's 75. 60. 47. 47, 60, 55 here, and 43 for Colonel Popper.